everyone, Joey here. Welcome to my channel. If you are a subscriber, welcome back. And if you are new here, I put out content that is planner related, daily living, organization, and also some teacher videos. If that sounds like content that you are interested in, then I invite you to go ahead and hit the subscribe button below. That way you can continue to receive my content. All right, let's see what I have in store for you today. Hi guys, I am going to be bringing you a plan with me for the week of August 17th through August 23rd. I had so many stickers left from the DEK Designs Tiffany kit that I thought I would change it up a little bit this week and go ahead and use up the rest of these stickers. I just felt like there were so many of them and I did not want to waste them. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and use this kit this week, and next week then I will probably continue planning out of my Happy Planner books that I had. Maybe. I don't know. I might change that up too. Anyways, but I wanted to bring this to you today, and then I'm also going to be using, in addition to this kit, I'm going to be using the Simply Gilded Neon Blue washi tape. I think it goes really, really well with this kit, so I'm going to lay that down here at the bottom, and then we're going to get started. Okay. Okay guys, so I think what I'm going to do this week is I'm going to break this up a little bit. Each one of my weeks have been kind of, I don't know, random, I think. And I think I want to go ahead and make each one of these a section. So I'm going to do to-do, home, and then work. And work might include content related stuff, or it might actually include like my work stuff, school. So that's how I want to do it for this week. That might change next week. We'll see. All right, so let me lay these down. Okay, so it looks like I don't have home. I'm gonna have to use today's stickers to represent what we're doing at home. Alright, for each one of the days, I'm going to go ahead and lay out the dinner stickers. So I'm going to put each one of those right here. So Logan was supposed to get his cast off yesterday, or not yesterday, Friday. And, well, that didn't happen. The doctor's office called us and said that the doctor could not make it in on that Wednesday, or that Friday. I don't know why I keep reverting back to Wednesday, because they rescheduled it for Wednesday. And so now we're going in on the 19th to get his cast, his leg cast, his full leg cast to be taken off and get, oh, that's totally crooked, you guys. Hold on. Anyway, so we are getting his full leg cast removed and getting a boot cast put on Wednesday. So hopefully they don't call and reschedule again. I think this one's just crooked, and that might be what is happening. It's throwing me off. So I am praying that we don't run into another reschedule, like really, really hoping that doesn't happen. It's just difficult with a 7-year-old being in a walker. As cute as he is in his old man walker, it's still a struggle. Like, we need the boy to be able to walk a little more on his own. There we go. I absolutely love DEK Designs. I think that her kits are so reasonably priced, and she just does a fabulous job on them, whether it's a foiled kit or a non-foiled kit. I think that she's just, and she's always running like amazing sales, so you don't, like, you could spend full price, but she's always doing like, this is a weekend special or something like that, and that makes it really nice for the pocketbook. So you don't have to feel like you're, no, it makes it nice, because then, you know, you can afford to buy those stickers and not feel guilty about it. So yeah, she is one of my very, very favorites. And I don't think that, I've not seen her get a lot of attention. And I feel like her shop is just deserves a little more attention than it's getting. So maybe I'm wrong. Maybe she gets plenty and I just don't know it. But yeah, I really enjoy her stickers. Okay. And Sunday is a little more obviously lighthearted because we go to church and we have other things like that to do. So it's a shorter list. Okay, then I'm going to put an asterisk right here for, nope, I'm not. I changed my mind. Let's go back. Okay, so Monday we have an appointment for my oldest son. Oh, nope, before that I do that. Sorry guys, keep changing my mind. I'm going to use this full box right here and cover up the calendar. Then I'm gonna go ahead and do some tracking with my exercise. So I'm gonna lay this weekly box down. And I want to put a workout sticker above it. I think that might be it. Okay, so Monday we have a appointment for my oldest son. So I'm going to go ahead and lay down this quarter box. I kind of want a lighter one though. I'm going to stick to this color scheme, maybe. Oh, I don't know if I have a light. Oh, yes, I do. I'm using like pulling them all off and then, yeah, not using them. Okay, so Caleb has an appointment at 10 a.m. So I'm gonna go ahead and write that in. Let's see if there's a doctor. Sometimes they put with the little deco stickers, but I'm not seeing anything like that. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm going to use this little bow just as like an attention getter, and I'm gonna write all right, and then I don't know what I'm gonna have for dinner yet that day, so I'm not gonna worry about that. So I think what I will do then is put down one of these boxes. It's gonna throw my color scheme off, isn't it? Nope, I don't want to. I don't want to do that because I kind of like what I got going on here. So we're gonna leave that for right now. All right, then work that day. I am going to work on filming and some creating of something. So I'm just gonna write down film, edit. I actually have, I don't know why I'm writing this down. I actually have, oh, but it's not down here. Okay, I'm just gonna write it. Film, edit, and then I also have to work on my blog. Okay. Could have used these little bow ties for that, or heart checklists for that. Oh well, that's okay. Then I'm going to go to Tuesday. I don't think I have any appointments on Tuesday. No. So Tuesday's pretty free. It's pretty open. I'm gonna go ahead and lay down a quarter box, and then if something comes up, I will fill it in. But there's not a ton of stuff going on, and I already have my to-dos up here, so I'm gonna leave that to be. I am gonna film again on this day because I have something coming in from Amazon that I wanna show you guys. I'm very excited about it. I think you guys will be, I don't know. I'm kind of a nerd, so I'm excited about it. You guys may not be. But I'm excited, and I'm gonna film that on Tuesday. So I need to get some film stickers. I definitely need that. Film and edit. I like to edit the same day that I film because it just motivates me that way. I am gonna put a package, Amazon package, down that I'm expecting that day. So maybe I'll put that right here. Do I want to put anything in? I'm just gonna lay it down. All right, Wednesday, Logan gets his cast off. Yay! Insert applause. I'm so excited. So let me lay that down, and then I think we're just gonna put down a quarter box. Logan's cast at 8 a.m. All right, then on Wednesday for work, I don't know yet. I don't have anything down yet, but I'm sure I will have something. Oh, duh, I don't know why I'm not doing this. So I have these girls that I totally need to use. Yeah, for these little film and edits. So cute. And I'm not gonna put her there. I feel like she's large, so she takes up a lot of room. All right, let's see, moving on. Thursday. What do I have going on Thursday? I have to go back and look at my calendar, you guys. Nothing. Oh, it's my parents' anniversary on Wednesday. I cannot forget that. So hold on, I have to put that in here. That's super important. Okay, parents' anniversary. And I'm gonna put a little deco in there, little bow. Cutesy it up a little bit. Maybe, yeah. All right, Thursday. Really honestly don't know what I have going on for Thursday. I will probably work on my blog and then work on some, oh, I gotta get into the classroom. So maybe on Thursday I will try to get into the classroom. Sorry, I'm trying to figure out what I want and where I want it. So let me put this, is this that? Oh, please. Yeah, I'm gonna try to get in on Thursday to get some work done because I'm moving classrooms. And I'm gonna put another little bow sticker. All right. Let's see. So then I'm gonna put another. I'm just gonna do it. No, I don't want to do it because I don't want to like ruin what I got going on. I like it. I don't want to ruin that. I think what I will do though is I will probably do a few more things. Oh, that's part of work. You guys, what am I doing? Hold on. You're probably yelling at me through the screen. Joey, isn't that work? Yes, it is. Gosh, you guys. I'll get it straight. Okay, there we go. Okay. So then I'm going to just do this little checklist and call it a day for the home. Who knows what we'll do. Okay, Friday, we always have a movie night. So I'm going to put this box here along with a movie night sticker, and then move on to the weekend. I think what I want to do is I want to use this guy. Yeah, I'm gonna use that for the movie night. And I'm going to put down this cute little cupcake. I know it's not like movie related, but it's adorbs. So I'm gonna put that down. We always have pizza that night, usually. All right, so now looking at Saturday. Saturday and Sunday, I'm gonna go ahead and put down my little weekend banner. I'm just gonna put this weekend banner down here. It kind of blends in, but I don't know where else I would want it. All right, so we always go grocery shopping on Saturday. So let me put that down. And then I'm going to put down this quarter box. And then I think I'm going to put down another small checklist down here for errands. Oh, this errands totally doesn't match. Let me see if I can find one that does match. I don't think I have one. Ah, bummer. Okay, so I'm going to leave it. I don't think it'll bother me too much. Now that I've seen it, it might stick out. Oh well. All right, let's see. Is there anything else that I want to do? I think I'm going to finish off doing some stuff on the sidebar right here. So I'm going to put this guy down and then make a shopping list. To buy. And I think that might be it. Now I think what I'm gonna do is put some deco around and call it a day. I think I'm finished. I added a few little decos and I think I'm pleased with the way it turned out. So yeah, this kit actually lasted for 2 complete spreads and I still have stickers left over, guys. DEK Designs is an amazing shop. You should definitely check her out. And she's not paying me to say this. I am not like an affiliate for her or anything like that. I just really love her stuff. So if you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. That helps out my channel a lot. And hit the subscribe channel or the subscribe button below if you are not already subscribed to my channel. If you want to receive more content like this, also hit the bell notification button. That'll let you know when I upload a new video. And I hope you guys have a great day. I will talk to you soon. Thank you. Bye.